In some few steps, I want to show you how to buy any of the big companies in the US stock exchange market using your Bamboo app. So let's get into it. But before then, kindly consider to subscribe. So the first thing first is for you to take your phone and go to your Play Store or your App Store and download this particular app called the Bamboo app. So for me, I'm using an iPhone. I will go to my app store, and once I open my app store, I will search for Bamboo app. The Bamboo is spelled this way, BAMBOO. So once you search for it, it will come, and it's a green this thing. Already I have it, so I'll just open it. I'll update and open my Bamboo app. So you can also download your Bamboo app. This is how it looks like. So once it comes, you open your Bamboo app. So once it comes, you open your Bamboo app, and when you open your Bamboo, this is the interface of the Bamboo app. So once your Bamboo app's open, you sign up with all your details, your personal details. That includes your date of birth, your name, your surname, and also your Ghana card details, your digital address, and all the information that are required. So when you sign up with your Bamboo app, the second thing is for you to create a brokerage account. So once you create your brokerage account, the next thing is for you to then deposit money in your Bamboo app in order to now trade, or to be able to trade in the Bamboo app. So first thing first, let's look at how to deposit money in the Bamboo app. So firstly, if you take a look at the Bamboo app, this is the interface. So looking at the interface, we have add, withdraw, and also referrals, and also US stocks, and a whole lot of things. So the interface comes with different options. First is the home, and second we have the invest option, where it gives you a couple of stocks that are listed. If you look at the first, you see Nancy Pelosi last buy, and also Warren Buffett portfolio. If you take a look at it, you see FK's portfolio, you see Jola's portfolio. Those are some of the options that the Bamboo apps also comes with. You see some medium risk asset, low risk asset, and also we have high risk assets. You can dive through in order to choose the one that you want, and also it gives you a couple of things that you can also use in order to learn on the stock exchange market, how to scale a Bamboo account, how to buy stocks with the Bamboo app, and also how to sell stocks on the Bamboo app. A whole lot of things. And also it also have a help option. So let's go to how to deposit money. So depositing money in the Bamboo app, what you just have to do is for you to click on the add money. So once you click on the add money, you realize that we have two options. We have the US wallet, and also we have the Ghana wallet. It depends on what you want to use. For me, I'm going to use mobile money to do my deposit, and you can also use mobile money, or you can use your card, and also you can use your card, that is your MasterCard or your Visa card. You can use any of them. So for me personally, I want to choose deposit using my Ghanaian wallet. So once it comes, you see that my options will come. Direct wallet depot top up. So I'll click on deposit, and when it comes, they'll ask me the amount of money that I want to top up. So let's put in 200 Ghana cedis, and 200 Ghana cedis will give us $16.87. So with the $16.87, I'll just go to deposit, and when I go to deposit, we see that we have direct bank transfer, and also we have CD mobile money deposit, and a whole lot of other options. So I'll just go on to click on my CD deposit. That is what I want to use to do this particular deposit in order for us to trade in our Bamboo app. So once it comes, I'll select my network provider, and also I'll provide my number in it, and I'll go on to click on confirm in order to confirm my transactions. So my transaction will come, and the charges is 3 cedis. So I'll click, and also I'll confirm my transactions. So once my transaction comes, I'll log back to the account, and I'll select complete payments. So once I complete payment, this particular payment is being powered by the Paystack. So Bamboo has given me a notification that deposit, and also my email, via email, they've also given me an email showing that I've deposited some money in my Bamboo app. So secondly, what you have to do is now to spot your stock. what you have to do is now to spot your stock. So how do you spot a good stock? So you take a look at all the stocks that you want to buy. You take a look at all their financial statements in order to know whether this particular company that you have interest in, whether they are in a good financial standing. Aside that, you can also look at the company brand to see if the brand is very good, and also you look at the leadership, and also you look at the industry in which it is, whether it's in the energy sector, whether it's in the telecommunication sector, whether it's in the technological sector, or each of these particular sectors. So once you look at it, you compare it, and also you look at the future potential, that is the growth of this particular company. However, a lot of people have reasons why they invest in stocks. Some people invest in stocks because of dividends, other people to also invest because of stock growth and many other reasons. So you have to assess yourself and know the reason why you are investing in stocks. So once that is done, you come and do your research. For me, I'll click on invest, and when invest comes, specifically I've already highlighted the stock I want to invest in. Currently Meta is dipping. It has dipped 12%, and one of the investment strategies is that when you are buying a stock, buy deep. You can actually, if you take a look at the stock market, and realize that this particular stock is a very good stock and is dipping, that gives you an opportunity. It has discounted the price for you to get in, and once you get in and things go well, you'll be able to make huge sums of money with that particular opportunity. So I've spotted Meta in order to invest in it. So basically what I would just have to do is for me to search for Meta platforms. So when it comes, I will just search for Meta platforms, and I'll search for it, and once it comes, I've added it to my favorite. You will realize that that particular stock today has dipping 9.64. Initially it had a dip of 12%. So I will take a look at it and realize that this is a good opportunity for me to buy this particular stock. So I'll click on buy, and when I click on buy, we have different options. We have buy now, limit order, and also we have stop order. With these particular options, the buy now is market execution. Once you click on it and you enter, meaning you are going into the trade instantly. And when it comes to the limit order is when you have a certain price that you are looking at the market. At the end of the day, I want to buy this particular stock at this particular price. So you set your limit order to that particular price. And when the market gets to that limit, it triggers the order and it goes into a market, and your order will be executed. But for me, for the sake of this video, I want to just do the buy now. I want to go straight forward and do market execution. So I'll click on buy now. And when it comes, the amount I'm willing to buy will be there. And one of the opportunities Bamboo actually gives you is to buy stocks in bid. So instead of paying all the amount of money, that is $675 for Meta, I can actually invest in with a little amount of money. So I'll input the $16 that I deposited in order for us to be able to buy this particular stock. So I'll put in order review. And when it comes, realize that my order will be reviewed, and I'll place my order instantly. And once I place my order, they will give me a notification to indicate that my order has been executed, and that is if there's availability of sales order. And it's loading. Okay, so purchase successful. My order has been able to go through, and also there's an activity that has occurred in my portfolio. This particular trade that I'm in has been able to go in successful. So this is just a basic step, or the simple step-by-step process in order to buy any stock in the US stock exchange market. So once you know the stock you are buying, you create your Bamboo wallet, and also you deposit money, and at the end of the day you move into the stock and you just place your order, and it will be instantly executed. And it's very simple when you are coming to withdraw your money from Bamboo. First of all, you need to sell your stock, and secondly, the money will be going into the settlement account. That is within 3 days, and once it goes to the settlement account, you should be able to withdraw the amount of money that you have deposited. As simple as ABCD. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. I'll be looking forward to see you in my next video. And if you have a question, kindly leave that in the comment section, and I'll address that as soon as possible. Cheers out.